a Velcro tab either side at the rear section, and in the middle there you had this plug here. It went like that and it just plugs into the roof. Hey guys, this is the Porsche Cayman 2008 roof lining board removed out the car. So the headliner board came in with a sagging roof lining, and so once we removed this board out the car, which involved taking off the sun visors and the sun visor clips and that front fascia here, same thing over that side, and then we unbolted the side trim and just made them a bit loose. That way we could flex the headliner board away from those side pillars, because they only go in about 10-15 mil underneath, so you'll be able to flex the board away. Once we did that, the board is out now, and we just removed the old material, and then the old foam that was left, we just used a straw brush and yeah, just an air blower, and just clean it all down. You can use like a metal brush if you wanted to on these boards, because they are quite strong. But yeah, we just use those, and the reason we don't use the old material is because we have seen customers in the past where they try to spray their own glue to keep the old material up, but what happens and what we see is the glue just seeps through and looks like a stain on the visible side. That's because the raw foam, well, the foam that's originally on the back of the material is no longer there. It's rotted away and stuck to the board, so you kind of got to replace with foam backed headlining material, and that's what we're going to replace with today. If you're looking for more steps in the process on the recovery stage, what glues to use, what fabrics to use, common problems to watch out for, ways to remove and reinstall headlinings, it's like a universal approach, and we've packaged it all in a nice neat package. It'll be a downloadable ebook you can find in the description below. It'll be titled Headlining Secrets. Yeah, if you're keen on that, check it out. Otherwise, this is the content that we're going to show you today. Will be the recovery stage of this Porsche Cayman 2008 roof lining. Also, with this headliner being removed, there was this bracket that was behind that we've got to glue back on. So we'll do that first before we add the material. There was a little bracket right at the end, that's a plug. So when we go to remove this headliner board, there was a Velcro tab either side at the rear section, and in the middle there you had this plug here. It went like that and it just plugs into the roof. So that actually came off, so we're just going to re-glue that one back on, same as the front bracket up here. And yeah, we were recovering brand new material. We will overlap every single edge. The manufacturer didn't do that, they actually cut it straight to the edge, so we're going to overlap it though, gives it better grip. And once that's all done, it's all ready to reinstall. The reason we didn't have the uninstall stage here and the reinstall stage is because the customer actually dropped this headliner board off to us, so we just got to do the recovery stage. But what was involved, as we just said then, was yeah, taking off the sun visor clips and the sun visors themselves, and just yeah, leaving the pillars and the rear pillars intact, but we just unbolted them slightly, unclipped them, and just allowed enough room for the headliner board to flex away on one side. Then you do the other side, pull that back section down, of course, where the velcros are, and it kind of just comes out that way. They're quite simple, not much involved in taking these ones out. And yeah, there was a bit of a breakage here that we're going to repair, so a bit of glue and some cloth tape, and just neatly tidy that one up with the brand new material that goes over the top. You're not going to notice that. And yeah, here we go guys, so we're just going to, you can follow along and watch how we recover one of these in brand new material. And if you like the content, just give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and maybe leave a comment below on your biggest takeaway, or if you're tackling one of these jobs. And yeah, we'll go from there. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace this old existing material with brand new foam backed headlining material. It's going to be like a charcoal black called an anthracite that we're using today. That will match up nicely to the charcoal black type of pillars and the sun visors and the plastics. So yeah, with that gone and the board cleaned, we are now ready to recover this one in brand new material.